Hi guys, in today's review of YT Titan, I am going to show you a program that is for new affiliate marketers, a training course that will teach new peoples wanting to go in this industry the right way to do it. They will teach you all the right steps to take you, so don't make any big mistake like a lot of us make in the beginning, trying to learn this on our own. I don't think you can go wrong with a good training course, and I think YT Titan is on the right track with what they have to teach. I'm going to show you some slides from the sales page, walk you through all of what you're going to get with YT Titan and all the bonuses they will give you for picking up the product today. And also I am going to give you my special bonuses for free. You can get YT Titan and all my bonuses for free if you grab YT Titan through the link given in the description box. So I wish all the success in the world. Let's get over to the demo and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to the sales page for YT Titan. This is a course for people wanting to learn how to be YouTube affiliates and how to represent vendor products and make some commissions and hopefully turn it into a profitable business. So YT Titan will teach you how to do that. It's a brand new course, teaches you step by step how to create and optimize an authority YouTube channel to dominate any niche. For promoting affiliate products and offers, you will learn step by step how to earn massive commissions with YouTube affiliate marketing. Now the word massive, folks, should be in quotes. As a new affiliate marketer, I don't think you can expect to earn massive commissions. I know there are people that do, by their people that have been in the business for a long time and have built up an email list, possibly a lot, or thousands of people that they can market to, and can generate the kind of traffic that it takes to earn huge commissions. I think, as a new affiliate marketer, you can expect to earn commissions with dedication, perseverance, and staying at it. But please don't fall for the massive commissions thing. That's not what you buy this for. You buy this because you want to learn how to work through it and how to start out a business on a solid foundation. So imagine owning a thriving online business that can generate, here we are, massive commissions for you on autopilot, bringing in profits for you day after day while you sleep without to create a product, handle customer support, or even have a website. It is nice to be generating commissions while you're asleep. It is on autopilot. Once you can get new products up, they become more or less evergreen and people from all over the world can see them, they can buy them, and you'll earn a commission. So they'll teach you the exact method that they use to rank affiliate videos to the top and make big dollars. Get an exclusive over-the-shoulder look at how we rank videos above the competition fast. You'll learn exact strategies that work to blast your videos to the top of the search results. Discover our secrets to dominating the rankings even with a brand new channel. 100% beginner friendly, step by step, easy to follow. Pull in huge amounts of free traffic, no paid ads needed. All of this stuff is great, and the process of bringing traffic to your video and views are what are going to make you money. So this is all important in helping out videos and your site generate. So the things you'll learn: create and optimize a YouTube channel, research and find profitable niches, discover hot products that sell fast, understand how people search and buy, find keywords that buyers search for, make videos that convert into sales, rank your videos at the top of YouTube and Google, create, optimize, and upload videos, make proper thumbnails for your videos, understand rankings in YouTube and Google, use strategies that work in 2022. Now I wanted to show you this because this is what probably bugs me most about sites like this, is all of this earning information down here. I don't know whether to believe this or not. You should have the same mindset, quite frankly. And this is why you need to get the YT Titan right now. You will learn methods that actually work in 2022. 100% beginner-friendly step-by-step training. Show you the exact methods we use to earn $1,000 per month in affiliate commissions. How to rank videos in Google and YouTube for free traffic. You'll learn a repeatable system you can duplicate for long-term success. Don't need a website, hosting, or an email list. Traffic, no paid ads. Don't have to show your face on camera. Efforts today can bring you results for months or years to come on autopilot. So, come to the pricing section. I want to tell you that the courses, like it priced for $1,200 to $1,500, but YT Titan is not so much costly. So, the normal price of YT Titan is $338, but if you purchase it today you can get it for only $97. And I think this is not so much costly, and you want to start making money online, then this is the big opportunity for you. So go to the link and purchases it. And for getting my personal bonuses, send me the screenshot of receipt on my Instagram. Over there I will provide you my bonuses also. Link of my Instagram can be found in description box. So check it out and start making money online.